channel. In this video I'm gonna be moving peanut hay with the backhoe from where we're dumping it up there by the woods into the hay field, and we'll line it up. And then we got a couple more loads over there in the peanut field that need to be moved over here, and then we'll line them up. But we're out of room to dump hay up yonder, so I gotta move that into the hay field. It rained some last night, so I don't know if the field will be too wet, that peanut field will be too wet to haul hay or not, but we'll see. Let's check all the fluids in this backhoe and get going. Let's check the oil in it. Don't mind all the leaking stuff in there, that's fine. That's good. Check the water. Green means go. Let's go. Let's crank this back of my hoe up. Okay, this is all the bales we got to move. From right here to down there. All of them have to be put on the, see that fence row right yonder, that row of trees, there's a fence in it, that's where we're putting bales over there. That's our grass hay. It gets lined up on this side. The peanut hay is going on that side. road's gonna typically have hay spares on the front of it. Me and Daddy built this thing for this one. Made this bracket right here, and then we welded these pieces of flat to the bucket, and we put pull pins in it right there. And then we welded pieces of flat to this, and it sits on them screws. But this is a spare for our tractor. And then we added the center spare to it. It works great. We got right there all the way down yonder in peanut hay that we've lined up. And there's still probably half this many over yonder that I still got to move, and then there's probably 4 loads over there at peanut field. Sun's starting to come out, so we'll keep at it. Alright, y'all get the point. I go get a bale, pick it up, bring it over here, set it down, push it up against the pile, and go get another one. So on and so on and so on and so on. Y'all seen enough of this. If we're not, I'll probably get some footage of us loading bales, because y'all ain't seen that on this channel. You've seen me moving bales out of the field last year with the International, and that's the same way I done it this year. We're already done moving them out of the field. We just got to haul them from the field to here and then line them up. So I'll see y'all when we start hauling. Well, I just got done moving all the hay bales. It's several hours later. I figured it was gonna take a while, and it did. I'm here at the fuel tank. I'm gonna fill up the backhoe with diesel fuel and then park it, and I don't know what we'll do after that. We've decided it's too wet to go today to go over there and try to move hay, so we'll look at it tomorrow and see what it looks like. But I'm gonna put some fuel on this thing and we'll see what comes. If you think the price of diesel is high, you should see chimneys. They're through the roof. That wasn't very good, was it? Okay, change of plans. I'm gonna get the 4630 in the hay baler and take it up there and blow it off, or blow off a hay baler, and blow it off, degrease the leaky cylinders and stuff, wash it, get it cleaned up, and then oil the chains and grease it, and it'll be ready to go for next year. Oh. Fall down trying to get it. Yeah. Check the water. Green man's go. And check the hydraulic oil. It's good. Did I tell you that we bought a new hay baler? This is the hay baler that you've seen us run for a while now. There's the 46. There's another hay baler sitting there. This one still says 530 on it. And John Deere. It's in really, really, really good condition. We bought it and fixed it up because our hay baler was fixing to need a lot of work done to it. It had a couple of cracked and busted rollers, and then the belts fixing to need to be replaced. So we bought this baler. It saved us a lot of money. We can just take parts off of this one and put on that one when it tears up. But let's get up there and get this thing cleaned up. John Deere 4630 straight pipe. She sounds good. What y'all think about that? That tractor right there, when my granddaddy bought it several years ago. What in the... Don't mind that. When my granddaddy bought it several years ago, the fuel was turned up on it to about 180 horse. 4630 is rated at 150 PTO horsepower. It wouldn't surprise me if it's on edge of 200. It's a horse boy. It'll run that hay baler. It'll run that 530 hay baler at 1300 RPMs, just as fast as you want to drive it. And it's got the 1000 shaft in it. It's only a 1000, so when you run 540 equipment, you have to put an adapter on it and hook it to it, and then just run your engine RPMs lower. That sucker right there, when you goose it, it pours the coal to it. We got the aneroid tightened down on it, and then the fuel's turned up too. We turn it up a little bit more. It's a hoss, boy. If y'all want me to show you how to make a 30, 40, 50 series John Deere a hoss that's got that same injector pump on it over there, I'll make a specific video on it if you want to see it. So y'all drop it down in the comments if you want to see how to make your John Deere 30, 40, 50 series tractor a hoss. Listen, I know you're thinking, my God, hush and start cleaning the hay baler up. Yeah, I'm getting to that. I gotta shut up. Alright, let's clean this hay baler up. everybody, I finished washing it. I'll grease it and oil change on it tomorrow. I'm visiting to go deer hunting. I know we didn't haul no hay, but I'll see y'all again tomorrow in another video. Appreciate y'all watching. See you in the next one.